Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys. As you can see, it's very late. I am super tired. So basically I'm going to help you guys with the Armory crate boot animation. So I'm basically doing a follow-up video for one of my friends that basically showed you guys how to actually do it. There's actually another way how to actually do it. You could go to ROG Ally what is it, ROG help life, something like that, RG life, something like that, and you can download a file, but I suggest you not do it because I don't know exactly where it's coming from. It might have malware, whatever on it, so I would stay away from that. So I'm going to just basically show you how to do it yourself. So basically what's happening is he shows you how to do it, but he's also telling you to put two files inside. And basically what happens is when you put the two MP4 files inside, it's basically deleting and stopping the other files that you might have downloaded for the boot animations. Basically it's being removed out because it's basically a bug, something on it that's basically messing with it. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I'm gonna show you how to make your own. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I can. All right, guys. So here's the first one right here. Here's my crash override right there. If y'all know, y'all follow me, y'all know I had this thing back in the day, back in 2008. I did this on iPhones and iPods and stuff like that. So how do you download your boot animations? You got two ways. You can come right here to general. So as you can see right here, I only have this right here, and there's nothing else showing up right there. Like I said, there's two ways to do it. You can go to download more inside general right here. Just gotta wait for it to load up. As you can see, I already have it downloaded, and basically I'm gonna have to use my touch screen. Actually I can't. I'm gonna have to do this real quick, back out, because this happens to me so much. All right, let's pop up Armory crate one more time. I'm sorry about that. That happens to me a lot on If y'all know, back in the day, I used to have it for my computer, used to boot up like that, my iPhones, my iPods, all that. All right, so the other way you can download it is by actually going to the folders and go to content, and you can download it from here like that. So you got two ways to actually get towards it. So I'm going to show you basically right now how to actually fix the folder. So what I'm going to do is I am going to actually delete everything real quick. So I'm going like this. Okay, so we're going to show you right now. I just like to always hit refreshing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to here. Going to go to your main files. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go towards user, app data, local. I'm going to go to packages right here. You want to scroll all the way down to right here. So you want to go to where it says B9. You want to go to the one that says Armory Crate SE, not the one that says Armory Crate. You want to go to the one that says SE. Click on that. You want to go to local state. Then you want to go now to users content. Hit that one. Go to Ally launchers, and here's all your files right here. So basically, this is the problem right here. When he basically told you to do it, he told you to install this one and install that one. This is what the two problems is. As you can see, I'm going to open it up. Here's my other crash override one. Here's the thumbnail I actually made for it with the correct value for the size. And on the other video and the other thumbnail right there. So basically, I try to make my own thumbnail. It's not going to work. It's something that's going on with one of the files on side of it. So I'm going to have to read through each one of these and look through each code and see what's basically stopping. So what I want to do is I'm going to delete all these. I do have backups of each one right here. As you can see, I got... my main one is right here, so I have the backup for it right there. So let's just close that up. What I want to do is I'm going to just delete all this. So if you're having problems that is not showing up and you try to fix it, it's not showing up, just delete the folder. Always make a backup of it just in case, but to be honest, you don't really need to make a backup, but always keep a backup. All right, so I'm going to leave this open. We're going to open back up Armory Crate real quick. You notice there's no boot animation because I basically deleted everything off. Let's go back to here. Let's go back to general. So you can click this on, but there's two ways what I want you to understand. When you reinstall it back, make sure you click on the video that you want to do, because basically what's going to happen is if you put the files inside, then click on the video, your stuff is going to get overwritten. So anytime that you're going to put a custom stuff, always put copies and make backups of everything that you have, because your stuff is and will get overwritten if you switch a different one, because you're going to have to manually go inside every time to put in the new background, whatever you may want. You know, it's nothing I can do about it, but that's the way how they put it. So what I'm going to do is click more. I'm going to reinstall everything back up. Just give it a second. Okay. Let's download it. Re-download. 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 Okay. So what I'm going to do is go home. I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on the one that I want. So I want this one right here, right? Go. As you can see, it's selected. So here we go right here. That's it right there. So what I want to do is I want to make my own. So right now I'm going to show you how to create your own and pop it inside of it, and it's going to be very simple. Now they do tell you to use 1080p when you create your video. You can do 1440p and you can do 4K. So I got mine at 4K because I want the best resolution on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my editor. So let's go towards this. We're going to CapCut. Let that open up. Create a new project. Let's just minimize this real quick. Let's just minimize it. Okay. I'll take these two. Drag and drop. I'm going to take that. Put that right there. I'm going to take that, which is going to be star fill. I'm going to put it right there. So basically, I'm going to show you guys really quick before I start editing it on the stuff that I actually have on mine. So I have a couple of backups right here. Backups. As you can see, with time, I started working on stuff like 11 o'clock. I actually started like around 11 o'clock, and it's already, what, 2:11 right now. So yeah, I've been working on this thing for a while. So I got my backups right here. My 1080p ones right here. Here's the backups of everything I downloaded. Here's the video. I'm gonna let you see the video real quick. As you can see, 4K. Okay, and the next video is the one that I'm actually working on right now. So I just wanted you guys to see that. So this is what it is right here. Now, I got the star fill one. Let's pull this up. Okay, I went about something right about there. Cut it. This over here. Drag this up. Right about there. Probably about an inch. Yeah. So that's good for me right there. What I'm going to do is I am going to just move this out the way. Okay. I want to get this, so I want to hit that, hit F2, copy it for the name. It's just so I can do this thing a little bit quicker. I hit export. I'm gonna name it 1.2 export. There we go. Close this out. There it is right there. Oh, I'm sorry if y'all hear noise in the background. I got the air conditioner and the fan on because it is hot in here. So let's just turn this on really, really quick. There we go. Edit it the way I want to. Okay, so I already have these files right here, so I'm just going to throw this inside my recycling bin. So I just want to double check what I got in here real quick. Okay, that's the ones that just deleted. I am going to empty it. Throw this inside the garbage. Here's my new one that I just created. There we go. I want to close this out. Where's that folder? Did I actually close it out? No, I didn't. I want to actually delete the file because I like to remove this off my desktop because I don't like keeping extra stuff on there. Yes, I am a memory hog that likes to delete all my stuff off of here to keep my stuff fresh, get myself more memory, even the smallest megabytes. Okay, so what I want to do is come here. And I want to come here. I'm going to click this because this is going to be the new one. So we're going to take this, copy it, paste it, replace it. That's the up-to-date one. That's the old one right there. So we could close this out, open back up this file, and we're just going to take that because we already got the copy of it already. Replace it. There we go. And guys, remember what I said, that always make a backup of it because once you change stuff up, it's going to erase it. So let's go back to Armory Crate SE. There you go. So there you got, guys, go. Let's go back in here, general, and just give it a second so it can load up. There we go, there we go, there we go, and there we go. So that's how you fix the problem if it's not showing up. Just install that one video. You only need to make the one video. So I'm just going to give you a fast demonstration of what you need to do. So it's only 4 files in it, right? So what you want to do is on this one, you want to look for the MP4 file. And you want to find out which one is the highest one. So as you can see right here, MP4 right there. So that's for that one. Next one is going to be Ghost Runner. You want to look for this one, 13. So that's the one you're going to replace. So when you make your file, you want to take this one and replace it with this one, with whatever the video you want. You're just going to rename it with this file right there, and you're going to replace that one right there. Next one is going to be this one, which is going to be RoboCop. RoboCop, you want to go towards this one, which is 12. You want to replace it for that one that says backup. And the last one is going to be this one, which is Starfield. So you want to look up for this one, MP4, which is 10 right there. You want to replace it, just Starfield backup. And that's the ones you want to replace. Don't add no extra ones. Don't put duplicates in it. Don't put the don't put this one, then go towards, let me show you. Don't go towards this one, then go towards gameplay 4.9. You don't want to do that because there's really nothing inside of it. I can't really see the file. It's 1 megabyte, so I don't actually know what the file is. I'm going to have to dig through it and see exactly what it is so I can actually make the thumbnail with it. So that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this fixed your problem, and I will catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang. Make sure you hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.